The technology is an enabler, but it's people using that technology which will make the real difference. So historically, when we look at technology and software related to technology, it's been very complex. It's about the people configuring the systems, designing the systems, operating those systems, and not you and me interacting with those systems. So what's great with technology now is not just what information can be provided, but the interfaces we can use to interact. Quite simply being able to switch on and off our home, being able to understand if there's a car parking space free or not, where that might be, and making the right choice to know where to drive to park my car correctly. So the challenge of making the right choices will also come firstly from education, and there's some great examples like with Moloka in Bogota, which is helping educate people on technology, on energy, on all of those issues, which gets people more in tune with what is possible. And secondly, bringing the right level of interface and interaction for people, making things, taking the complexity out of these issues and making things very simple and easy to use. So creating applications, creating interfaces that enable people to interact with their environment. It could be transportation, it could be energy at home, it could be within their workplace. All of those elements are there to help people educate and learn into the future.
That's cool. And we see that Schneider is buying companies for improving the segments or places they are not already achieving or covering. But what do you see in the short term, in the medium term, the things that Schneider is going to need to grow or to improve beyond the research and development investments?
Where we need to grow is really a couple of areas. And if you think about what we do as a company, we have probably one of the broadest portfolios of technology. Where can we apply that? Well, everywhere. So part of the challenge that we have, depending upon the country, is how well deployed is all of that technology. So where are there opportunities for growth? There may be gaps in the portfolio in certain countries. We've made acquisitions recently in Colombia in terms of residential, in terms of wiring accessories, because it's a very specific local market, local standards, local need. So that filled a gap that was there. But part of the challenge is also about connecting all of those systems together. I'm really looking at everything that can be done and optimizing all of that. So we're always looking for areas of growth, and that's either going to be organically within the teams, within the people that are working with our customers. And if there are opportunities for acquisition, we'll review those, we'll look at those, but it's about being technology, systems, software that's very complementary to the existing offer, that adds value to it, that enhances it even further.
All right. Well, that's the part of people.